Hello friends, welcome to my digital marketing YouTube channel. So today I will tell you how to create Google Ads account. So first of all, what are the things we need to create Google Ads account? What are the mandatory things which are required to create Google Ads account? So first of all, we need business website, then existing email address on Google. If you have any other email address on some other platform, let's say dannycasey@yahoo.com, this email address is associated with Yahoo, not with Google, so we would not be able to create Google Ads account. It is mandatory, it is mandate to have Google account. That means Gmail account. Then only you will be able to create Google Ads account. So let's begin. First of all, we will search Google Ads on Google search engine. Google Ads. So here is the URL ads.google.com. We will click on it. Then it will ask us to sign in. We will click on sign in. So it is showing so many options because I already have so many Google Ads account, so it is showing me so many options. So whenever you will create new account, it will show only two options: new Google Ads account or switch Google account. So if I will click on new Google Ads account, it will take the same email address through which I am logged in this computer. So I will click on switch Google account. So it will ask me through which email address I want to create my account. So I will enter my email address. So first of all, I will show you that if you try to create Google Ad account through some other email address other than Gmail, then what error it will show. So let's say I'm entering dannycasey@yahoo.com. Let's try whether it will let us create the account or it will show an error. So see, it's showing couldn't find your Google account. So it is mandate to have Google account before creating the Google Ads account. Google account is Gmail address. Your Gmail account should be there before creating your Google Ads account. Now let's start with Google email address, that is rpsharma 4x189@gmail.com. Let's try with this. Now it will ask me my password. Now I will have Now I will proceed. New Google Ads account. I will click on new Google Ads account to create new Google Ads account of mine. It's taking some time. So it is asking me to create new campaign. There are three main goals it is reflecting. First is get more calls. If you want to have more calls like plumbing business or any other service, repairing service, in which customer directly call from their mobile phones, in that case we will have a goal get more calls. Otherwise we will have get more website sales. Let's say pizza delivery service, for example pizza delivery service, Domino's Pizza. So in this case we will directly go to the website. Right now see pizza delivery website is not working right now. So before running your Google Ads account, you should be aware that your website is working or not. You should check multiple times that your website is working perfectly fine, so that you don't spend your money on the account, because it will not give you any revenue if your website will not working. So let's try some other URL, dominoes.co.in. So you can see from for such kind of website like Domino's or Swiggy, our goal would be this one, get more website sales, because here we are directly selling through our website. And then there is a third goal, get more visits to your physical location. For example, I have a restaurant and I don't deliver my food to the customer's place. I only serve food at my own location at the restaurant. Then my goal would be get more visits to my physical location, because I need direct footfall of the customer. Or let's say I have a showroom and I don't deliver my products to the customer's doorstep. Then again I will select the goal, get more visits to our physical location. Now first of all, I will select the goal, get more website sales or signups. Here, if you will look, are you a professional marketer or switch to expert mode? There are two options which Google is providing right now, in which it will ask you, are you a professional marketer, or then you can proceed with switch to expert mode. Otherwise, if you are a new beginner to Google Ads, you don't know anything about Google Ads, then you should go with these options. Otherwise, if you are an expert, then you can go to switch to expert mode. Right now we will proceed with beginners mode. That means I will select simply on next. Then it will ask me my business name and business website. First of all, I will enter my business name. That is, for example, I will enter on real estate. So now it will show us that your business and audience. First we will give our business name, business website, then we will create our ad, then budget and review, and then we will set up our billing, through which Google will deduct the money. First of all, business name. For example, I am taking my business name as garment exporter. For example, this is my business name. Now my business website. Right now I don't have any active website, so I will take www.test.com, because it is a mandate step to have your website before you can create the account. So you should have a website and it should be active. Then we will create on next. Then it will ask you where are your customers. That means in which country you want to serve, or specifically in which area you want to serve your ad, in which area you want to show your ad. For example, I am taking New York. It will show me potential audience size. That means how many people search on Google in the selected location. That means you will get a rough idea that how many people are possibly searching for your business in the selected area. So here it is showing the size of the potential audience you can reach through Google Ads in New York. Now we will select next. It will ask you your product or service. What is your product exactly? What you want to offer to the audience? So now it is asking us to define your product or service. That means which product or service we are providing, and the language in which we want to advertise our ads. So for example, right now I am taking English, or you can select any other language you want as per your business and the country you are targeting. Now my business category: online exam test, math test, online exam practice, math test question, online exam. On the basis of my website which I have provided, it will give me, because I have taken test.com as my website. So on the basis of my URL, it will provide me the business categories available. For example, let's select online exam. Now again it is asking some question like, what specific product or services do you want to promote in this ad? That means which is the specific service or the product which my customers are searching online. To them I will show my ad. For example, the people who are searching for online test or SSC exams, SSC online test. So for example, I take online mock test. So in this case, I will show my ad to the people who are searching for online mock test. This is one keyword I have taken. Another one is online exam test. 2. Let's proceed with only 2 keywords right now. In such a manner, you can take multiple keywords. These are the keywords which users search on Google search engine, and then we show our ads to them. Now we will proceed only with 2, though you can select more as per your need and the services you are providing, but right now we are proceeding with only 2 keywords. Let's select on. Now it is showing us, let's write your ad. Now we will create the exact ad which we will like to show to our customers. We will start creating ad in the account. Let's say best online test website for practice. This is my headline 1. Now as there is a character limit in headline 1, headline 2, it's 30. You can see it, it's 30. So it should be under my character limit, which is provided by Google. Best online test website. First headline this, and the second one is mock test website in New York. So this is my second headline, and we should be careful that our spellings and other things like punctuation, grammar should be appropriate, so that it doesn't show any error or other things. And the character limit for headline 1, headline 2 and headline 3 is 30, and for description 1 and description 2 it's 90. So we will proceed with this. Right now I'm just telling you to create the account, so we will not focus much on creating ads. Right now we will just proceed with simple steps. Then in another video I will show you how to create effective ads. So now it is asking us to set your budget. Here we can select the recommended budget as per our business, or we can enter our own budget in our own currency. Let's say I'm advertising in India, then I will select the currency as Indian rupee. That is simply, we will select the currency as per our country from which we are operating our business. We will enter our own budget as per our requirement. Then for example, in starting I will take the minimum budget of, for example, 200 rupees daily. We can enter here manually. I will enter 200 daily budget. That means my monthly budget would be 200 into number of days in a month. let's say 30 days in a month, then our monthly budget would be 200 into 30. That means 6,000 monthly max as it is showing. Then we will select on next and proceed. Campaign name it is asking. You have to provide a campaign name. For example, it has taken automatically best online test website as per our business and keywords we have provided, but manually you can select your campaign name. Then it is showing us estimated performance, that how many impressions and clicks we can get. Clicks is whenever a person click on our ad, that is counted as click, and impression is they see our ad but not click on the ad, then it will count as impression. So there is a difference in impressions and clicks. Gradually you will learn these terms like impression, clicks, CTR, conversions in my upcoming videos. Right now we are just proceeding with the simple steps just to create the account. This is the first step, just to create our account, not to go in other technicalities, so that step by step we can learn. Now with this selected parameters, we will click on next. Now here is the final step, which is fourth one, setup billing. Now we will proceed with the fourth step, that is setup billing. As per my country, I will select India. Then account type, here are two types of account. First is individual, then is business. I will select business. Individual account for those who provide individual services. For example, I am a plumbing service provider, and I am the only one who provides plumbing services. I don't have a big business or company, then I will select individual. In this case, right now we will proceed with business. Now we will provide business name. For example, we are taking online test websites. This is my business name. Now payment method. Here Google provide two types of payment method. First is automatic payments, second is manual payments. So as we are a beginner, we are just learning to create Google Ads account, I will highly recommend to select manual payments. Otherwise, if you will select automatic payments, it will ask you to add your credit card or other methods like net banking, and on monthly basis it will detect automatically. Or for example, by mistake you forgot to pause your campaign, or your ads are running in the background and you don't know, it will automatically deduct your payments from your account. So that's why in the beginning, as the beginners, I will recommend manual payments. After some time, when you will learn how to handle things, how to be more cautious on the Google Ads account, then you can switch it to the automatic payments later. So now you will enter the amount. For example, 1000 is my payment amount. Then you can select I agree and submit for the manual accounts. So it is the whole procedure. For example, I am submitting and submit. It will ask me my card number. So in manual payment, it will ask you the card number or other methods like net banking or Google Pay or Paytm wallet. So in manual payment, first you have to pay to Google. It will add that amount in your Google Ads account, then only you will proceed. But in automatic payment, you can select your credit card number or other payment methods like net banking or Paytm or Google Pay, and it will deduct your amount after 1 month or on the date of your billing cycle. So you can enter your whole details here and then you can submit. Your account would be created and then you can proceed with your campaign. So this was whole from my side. I tried to explain you how to create Google Ads account. Let's summarize. You need a website, then you need an existing email address on Google account. Then you have to select your goal. It is calls, you want to get traffic on your website, or you want to get more visits to your physical location or store. So these are the three goals. You can select among from them, and we proceed with website clicks. I hope you liked the video and understood how to create Google Ads account. However, if you face any issue while creating the account, you can ask me in the comment box that with the specific issue and the screenshot, I will try to explain further that how to resolve the issue you are facing. Thank you so much. If you like the video, you can hit the like button and subscribe the channel, because in the upcoming days I will gradually upload some more videos to explain about digital marketing.